home for the latest in two-wheel technology, reviews, and insights. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Honda CB400, a bike that marks the revival of one of Honda's most iconic nameplates. This mid-displacement machine is a perfect blend of heritage, everyday usability, and modern engineering, crafted for riders who crave both nostalgia and performance. After years of silence in the global market, the CB400 returns with a new identity that pays homage to its roots while embracing the future. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 CB400 a standout in today's competitive motorcycle landscape. Design and aesthetics, retro meets modern. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Honda CB400 is its timeless design. Drawing inspiration from the classic CB series, this bike features a clean, muscular fuel tank, minimalistic bodywork, and a round LED headlight that nods to the golden era of motorcycles. Chrome accents, classic Honda badging, and a subtle tail design reinforce its retro character, while modern touches like the full LED lighting system and a TFT instrument cluster remind you that this is a thoroughly modern machine. Available in colors like pearl nightshade blue, matte armored silver, and the fan-favorite candy red, the CB400 caters to both nostalgic purists and modern urban riders. Engine and performance, the heart of the beast. At the core of the 2025 CB400 is a newly developed 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel-twin engine. Unlike previous iterations that used an inline-4 layout, this version focuses on real-world usability, fuel efficiency, and torque-rich performance. The engine produces around 47 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque, making it A2 license-friendly in Europe and accessible for newer riders while still offering enough grunt for seasoned enthusiasts. It's designed to deliver smooth, linear power across the rev range, ideal for city commuting, spirited weekend rides, and even light touring. Honda's engineering focus on balance and refinement means the engine is not just efficient but also a joy to reverend. It's paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and an assist and slipper clutch that reduces lever effort and prevents rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. Chassis and handling, built for the streets. The CB400's diamond-type steel frame strikes a perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. It ensures stable handling without compromising rider comfort. With a wet weight of approximately 188 kilograms, the bike feels light and nimble, especially in urban environments. Suspension duties are handled by 41mm telescopic front forks and a preload adjustable twin shock setup at the rear, tuned for a comfortable yet controlled ride. Whether you're tackling tight city corners or cruising down twisty backroads, the CB400 offers impressive composure and responsiveness. It rides on 17-inch wheels with grippy, road-focused tires and features a relaxed riding posture with mid-set foot pegs and a slightly upright handlebar, making it ideal for long rides as well as short hops around town. Braking and safety features. Braking performance is solid, with a single 310mm disc up front paired with a twin-piston caliper and a 240mm disc at the rear. The 2025 CB400 comes equipped with dual-channel ABS as standard, ensuring confident braking in all conditions. Honda has also integrated traction control into the CB400 for the first time, providing an extra layer of safety for new riders or those riding in variable conditions. It's subtle in operation but reassuring to have, especially in slippery scenarios. Technology and features. Despite its retro-inspired styling, the 2025 CB400 is no slouch when it comes to modern tech. The centerpiece is a vibrant 5-inch TFT display that offers customizable layouts, turn-by-turn navigation, via smartphone pairing, gear position indicator, fuel consumption data, and more. The bike also features Honda Road Sync, allowing riders to connect their smartphones via Bluetooth for music, calls, and navigation directly from the handlebar controls. A USB-C charging port is neatly integrated under the seat for added convenience. Optional accessories include heated grips, a tank pad, a rear carrier, and side panniers, making the CB400 a flexible platform for customization and light touring. Ergonomics and comfort. One of the strongest points of the new CB400 is its rider-centric ergonomics. With a seat height of just 785mm, it's accessible to a wide range of riders, including beginners and shorter riders. The seat is wide and well cushioned, and the pillion accommodation is also improved over the previous generation. The upright riding position reduces fatigue on long rides, and the bike's narrow profile makes it easy to filter through traffic or park in tight spaces. Whether you're commuting daily or taking weekend trips, the CB400 is designed to keep you comfortable and in control. Fuel efficiency and range. Fuel economy is another area where the 2025 CB400 shines. Honda claims an average fuel consumption of around 28 to 30 km per litre, depending on riding conditions. Combined with a 15-litre fuel tank, riders can expect a real-world range of over 400 km on a single tank, excellent for both city and highway use. This efficiency doesn't come at the cost of performance. Thanks to Honda's PGM-FI fuel injection system and lightweight construction, the CB400 delivers solid acceleration while sipping fuel conservatively. Pricing and availability. Honda has positioned the 2025 CB400 to be competitive in the middleweight segment. While prices may vary by region, the expected MSRP in key markets like Japan and Southeast Asia hovers around $6,000 to $6,500 equivalent. In Europe and Australia, it may arrive slightly higher due to import costs and additional regulations. The bike is already available in select Asian markets and is expected to roll out in global markets throughout late 2025 and early 2026. Stay tuned to your local Honda dealerships for test ride availability and launch events. Who is the CB400 for? The 2025 CB400 is an ideal motorcycle for a wide range of riders. If you're a beginner, it offers confidence, manageable power, and comfort. For commuters, it's practical, efficient, and stylish. If you're a returning rider or someone seeking a second bike with character, the CB400's retro charm and modern reliability hit the sweet spot. It's not built to be the fastest, nor the most tech-loaded bike in the category. But it delivers a balanced, refined riding experience that few competitors can match, especially at this price point. Final thoughts: a worthy revival. With the 2025 CB400, Honda has done more than just revive a name, they've reimagined a legacy for a new generation. It's a motorcycle that honors its past but is perfectly suited for today's roads, riders, and lifestyles. Its understated performance, refined engineering, and nostalgic appeal make it one of the most well-rounded bikes in the 400 cubic centimeter segment. At Bike Future, we believe the CB400 stands out not through gimmicks or brute power, but through purity of purpose. It's a rider's motorcycle, simple, elegant, and satisfying in every way that matters. Outro: what do you think? What are your thoughts on the 2025 Honda CB400? Is this the kind of bike you'd consider for your garage? Would you prefer it over something like the Yamaha R3 or Kawasaki Z400? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more honest, detailed reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a ride with Bike Future. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, ride smart.